Kanazawa University established the Environment and Ecotechnology Special Course in 2011 with the aim to nurture students from Japan, China, and Korea to become environment and ecotechnology specialized engineers. So far, about 40 students have enrolled in this course, and those who have completed this course are now playing an active role in various fields. Some have found jobs in Japan or their own country, and some have advanced to continue into the later stage of the doctoral program. In 2014, Kanazawa University expanded the course and renamed it the Environmental Technology International Course, which welcomes students from other countries in Asia and Africa. The major objective of this course is to cultivate what we call eco-engineers, who will be capable of contributing to the development of a sustainable society beyond national boundaries. In collaboration with industries, the course provides practical education that will qualify students to work in manufacturing companies around the world that endeavor to make the best use of natural resources and reduce their environmental impact. Now, let me provide a brief introduction on Kanazawa University and the Environmental Technology International course. Kanazawa University is in Ishikawa Prefecture, which is located in the center of Japan. It is about 2.5 hours away from both Tokyo and Osaka. The Hokuriku Shinkansen bullet train running between Kanazawa and Tokyo was put into service in March 2015, which made Ishikawa Prefecture even more accessible to the metropolitan areas of Japan. Kanazawa, the capital of Ishikawa Prefecture, has a history of over 400 years and is just as famous as Kyoto for its rich traditional cultures. In the center of Kanazawa, there is Kanazawa Castle and Kinrokuen Garden, which is one of the most famous Japanese gardens in Japan. You will also find other districts with traditional atmospheric sceneries that are crowded with countless tourists and visitors. With close proximity to the Sea of Japan, Kanazawa is in abundance with fresh seafood, which enriches the local food culture. And as the main hub of politics, economics, and cultures for the Hokuriku region, Kanazawa is a city with many branch offices of major corporations and government organizations. Also, Kanazawa has an exuberant side to it, where large shopping malls and numerous restaurants can be found in the downtown district of Kurimbo. Even for the areas around campus, there are sizable supermarkets, pharmacies, and home improvement stores that would help students lead a convenient and comfortable college life. Furthermore, there are in total 19 institutions of higher education in Ishikawa Prefecture, which is ranked the second highest per capita in Japan, just behind Kyoto. And with the number of undergraduate and graduate students ranking the 5th in Japan, you can definitely say that Kanazawa is a university town that is always busy with students. In whole, Kanazawa University, being one of the most prominent national universities in Japan, is conveniently located and is endowed with natural environment and traditional cultures. Kanazawa University was established in 1862 as a leading institution of higher education in the Hokuriku region. For over 150 years, Kanazawa University has been playing a significant role as an educational and research hub for Japan and the regions of East Asia. Currently, there are 12,000 students studying in Kanazawa University, about 500 of which are students from overseas, and the number of foreign students has continued to rise over the past few years. On top of that, Kanazawa University was selected for the 2014 Top Global University Project by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology, which allows the university to promote further globalization of education and research in order to foster human resources who will become leaders of global societies. Here is a message from our president, Dr. Yamazaki.
皆さんこんにちは。金沢大学長。
Hello, this is Koetsu Yamazaki, the president of Kanazawa University. The Environmental Technology International course is designed to nurture students into becoming successful engineers and researchers who can play an important role in the fields of today's increasingly globalized society. In addition to regular lectures, participants have the opportunity to go on field studies as part of their trainings. Kanazawa University was selected for the top global university project by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology. This project encourages Japanese and foreign students to have friendly discussions and debates, inducing the development of abilities necessary for them to become a full-fledged member of the society. I have much anticipation that the Environmental Technology International course will lead the way of globalization for Kanazawa University and help build the foundation for our institute to become a super global university. And this is how Kanazawa University promotes its globalization. Now, let's take a look at the guidelines of the Environmental Technology International course, which is a pioneer program to recruit students from overseas. A division under the Graduate School of Natural Science and Technology, the Environmental Technology International course mainly consists of local and foreign students from Africa and other parts of Asia who have educational backgrounds related to environmental conservation, such as environmental engineering, applied chemistry, chemical engineering, civil engineering, and environmental mechanics. The majors offered by this course are Division of Material Chemistry, Division of Mechanical Science and Engineering, Division of Environmental Design, and Division of Natural System. These are the 4 majors and courses for the first stage of this doctoral program. Students will be enrolled into one of these majors and develop expertise on environmental engineering, such as atmospheric environment, water-soil environment, waste management, and energy. Outstanding communication skills and social scientific knowledge are also crucial elements for environmental engineers to take role in the contribution of developing sustainable societies beyond national boundaries. Therefore, the course also offers lectures such as Environment and Health and Environment and a Sustainable Society to students, so that they can apply the related knowledge at which they acquired from their field studies, including the Study Camp on Environmental Technology, Overseas Study Camp on Environmental Technology, and Environmental Technology Internship. The features of the curriculum are 1. Intensive study camp utilizing regional characteristics. 2. Study in collaboration with foreign universities and domestic companies. 3. Group work with international students. 4. Classes offered in English. The course aims to nurture students who, upon completion of the course, will become excellent human resources serving as a bridge between Japan and other countries, engaging in research and technological development in the fields of environment and energy, leading to the contribution of developing sustainable societies through cross-border collaborations. Now let's look at the most distinctive features of this course. The 3 field studies, which are the Study Camp on Environmental Technology, the Overseas Study Camp on Environmental Technology, and the Environmental Technology Internship. First, there is the Study Camp on Environmental Technology, held in the Noto region of Ishikawa Prefecture. This is a new endeavor to carry out trainings not only from the university, but also in collaboration with the industry and the government for course participants to engage in various topics such as specific regional issues presented by local governments, applicable technologies proposed by consortium member enterprises, and local concerns presented by residents and NPO groups. Participants then work in a mixed team of Japanese and foreign students and propose solutions to these issues, which will allow them to develop a broader perspective of the field. Next, let's look at the Overseas Study Camp on Environmental Technology. Students in this course will participate in trainings at universities, research institutes, and enterprises related to environmental technology in various parts of Asia. Students in our previous program, the Environment and Ecotechnology Special Course, have participated in trainings in China, Korea, and Thailand. The purpose of this training is to understand and identify current environmental issues throughout Asia by attending lectures given by local researchers, visiting environmental-related institutes and enterprises, and interacting with students who are studying local environmental engineering. The final training session is the Environmental Technology Internship. This part provides students with the opportunity to work as an intern in local enterprises in Japan and gain knowledge and experience along with the latest practical skills through working at actual technological development sites. Students will be able to acquire problem-solving skills by completing the tasks given to them, while working in Japanese companies also enables students to attain a sense of professionalism and learn about proper business etiquette. Through discussions and collaborations among multinational participants, students will learn the importance of cross-cultural cooperation and in the process strengthen their communication skills by having to convey their own ideas and opinions in an international setting. The field studies enable students to acquire mutual understanding and gain respect for cultures from other regions of the world. In addition, this course offers a variety of support systems to the participants. During their first year on the program, each foreign student will be appointed a Japanese tutor to assist in their studies and school life. English-speaking instructors and staff members are also made available for general support services. What's more, the International Student Center of Kanazawa University offers fully elaborated Japanese language courses designed for each level of language proficiency. These Japanese language classes enable students to obtain a deeper understanding on Japanese society and culture. Students who are looking to work in Japan are given comprehensive advice and career guidance, including self-analysis and the assessment of different industries. There are additional support systems made available to participants, such as health consultations at Kanazawa University Health Service Center, and other support services provided by professors of affiliated foreign universities and academic institutes. Now, let's hear what the students have to say about the program. Hello, my name is Lee Xiaodong, and I am currently studying in the Environmental Technology International course. I learned about the course in my senior year, and I started preparing to apply for this program right away. And now, here I am. My major was related to environment, so I decided to take this course for my doctoral degree. In the future, I would like to be an asset and make contributions not only to China, but also to all countries around the world. Everybody here, including professors, are all very kind. We go to lunch together, have small chats during breaks. I also have my Japanese corrected, and that is how I got adapted to the Japanese spoken environment so quickly. Lectures on specialized subjects are conducted in English, so I have no difficulty understanding them. I am so glad that I chose this course.
Konnichiwa, watashi wa good luck desu, Tanzania kara kimashita. My impression about Japan was very advanced in technology. When I arrived here, I didn't have anyone from Tanzania who I knew him, or from Africa, so things were a little bit complicated for me. But as time goes, I get used to the environment by using different way of communicating with people, and I exist until now. Yeah, I start get used to it. Yeah, I've get friends. I have Chinese, Japanese, Indonesian, Vietnamese, different friends from different countries.
I studied chemical engineering when I enrolled in the course. Having the opportunity to participate in an internship and studying abroad as part of the curriculum provided me with some insights on what I want to do after graduation. I want to put what I have studied, which is chemical engineering, in full use, and I was highly motivated after seeing female researchers on the field working with such passion and enthusiasm. This made me consider becoming a researcher, just like them in the future. The curriculum of this course is so comprehensive that I believe it contributed to my personal growth and development. What I have learned from this course over the past 2 years was truly an exceptional, once-in-a-lifetime experience for me. In the coming future, Japan will certainly have collaborations with China, Korea, and other Asian countries. Seeing that, instead of just keeping what I have learned to myself, I intend to share my knowledge and experience with the people around me.
Hello everyone, I'm Yoshio Otani, leader of Environmental Technology International course. 5 years ago, we established the Environment and Ecotechnology special course with the support of NEXT to educate Chinese, Korean, and Japanese students to become leaders of environmental engineering in their mother countries. Based on the experiences of these 5 years, last year we expanded to the Environmental Technology International course by broadening the area of international students to Asia and Africa. Kanazawa is a city filled with history and culture, making it one of the most suitable cities to study environmental technology. Please join us at Kanazawa University and study environmental technology.
As you can see, Kanazawa University offers attractive and pioneering programs to cultivate excellent engineers who can contribute to resource recycling and the reduction of environmental impact in manufacturing corporations around the globe. Feel free to check out our website for further information on the program.